Yo, YouTube, what's the deal, man? It's your boy Coyote back at it with another banger. But as y'all see, man, we in a little different scenario than we usually in. Y'all probably don't know what's going on in this video, but in case you guys seen already, man, we are taking delivery of a new car. Came out here to show you guys what car it was, but I guess they're getting everything clean, washing the car, putting gas in it and everything. All right, man, so we up here with my guy.
Yes, sir.
Just got us right with the BMW M340, man. You wanna go ahead and shout out the name and everything?
BMW of Beverly Hills. We are the #1. We're the largest BMW dealership in and on the West Coast. So please come and visit me. My name is Bashir. I'm located at 5070 Wilshire Boulevard. Come see me. Tell somebody else to come see me.
Sir.
Put your 3D glasses on. Come see me. Just come holler at me, man.
We heard the man, man. He gonna get you right. I'm gonna let y'all know, man. He got us in and out real quick. Wasn't sitting here all day. Sheesh.
Yes, sir. And we in here.
I'm gonna go ahead
on
and
a
leave
rainy
it.
day.
Hey, look, man. It's raining out here. We got the job done.
In the rain. We making it rain.
Making it rain. We're in the rain. Finna go ahead and check out the car in just a minute. So make sure you guys are staying tuned for the rest of the video. Peace. Y'all, it's the next morning. First look at the M340. As y'all see, we had to trade it in for the 5.0, man. You know, all these B58s are smacking the 5.0 up, so I had to get one.
Wow, crazy. Come on. Psych! I switched it!
Come on now. Y'all should already know, man. We are not trading in the 5.0. The 5.0 is here to stay. Now, I hope that we can get a platform and everything built up with this M340. 5.0 is going nowhere. We still have the ESS kit on, still boosted. Next thing we need to do to the 5.0 is get a fill system. Right now, we're still stock fill system. I'm running pump gas. We're on like a race blend right now, but we are getting a 4 Innovation triple pump real soon, man. So make sure you guys are staying tuned to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to go do that right now. But enough talking, let's go ahead and hop in the M340. And y'all see the dash going crazy. Got the map and everything on there. See how this motherfucker sound in sport mode. See if we get any pops. You can fucking hear the turbos. That's fucking crazy. Woo! If you guys are wondering, man, this is the stock exhaust system still. Car's completely stock. I'm not gonna lie though, man, we loving the car so far. See if we can get a little dry patch. See if we can get the turbos cracking. Get some pops. Come on, Pops, where you at? Oh, man, you gotta love it. Pretty much the first look at the M340, man. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you guys think of the new car? A lot of you guys are gonna be like, man, what made you get a M340? You talk a lot of shit about it on Instagram and all that. To be honest with y'all, I just be joking around. All this racing shit fun, man. I love cars no matter what it is. I think this B58 is a fucking nice car. Now, do I think it's better than the Coyote?
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no.
We're gonna go ahead, pop the hood for you guys so you can check out what it's looking like under the hood. Sheesh, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm not too familiar with the BMW platform. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what the fuck is going on under the engine bay. I'm trying to see where you see the turbos at. I don't think you can see the turbos in these cars, man. That's why a lot of people lie about mods when they race these cars. They say like the stock turbos, maybe pure 850s and all that shit. So hopefully we can build this platform up. I'm not going to be going crazy on the car. Just going to be doing simple bolt-ons, getting the exhaust right. If you guys are wondering, this was the stock exhaust. I'm going to give you guys some sound clips with that right now. We're rocking the leather seats inside. We got the sunroof on the top. You open the hood, you see we got the big old B58 engine right here and performance. Sheesh. Be the end of this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you guys enjoyed the car, be sure to leave a like. Make sure you guys are subbing to the channel, man. We're gonna need this help, man. We got the new car. And lastly, don't forget to comment. But it's your boy Coyote Mar, and I'm out. Catch you guys in the next one.